Hello again, everybody, and welcome to exercise 41, join. Join unites curves that meet at a common end, making a single curve. Join can unite curves that do not touch if you want to select them after the command has started. As you select non-touching curves, a dialog box asks if you want to fill the gap. So let's go ahead and get started. Using Shift on your keyboard, select the two polylines, and then go ahead and type the command join into your command bar and press enter. Now you'll notice that instead of two separate independent polylines, now it is one single polyline. And the group is still in here, so if you want to remove these circles from the group, you can go ahead, if that's what's going on in your scenario, just select the objects to remove using the remove from group command. And there you go. And that completes exercise 41.